Every family has in some drawer of the house an old photo album, and sometimes there may be old photos of grandparents and ancestors in those times when they were young. Therefore, digitizing and repairing them can be a nice way to preserve those memories. The first step is to digitize the old photos you have in an album. To do this, the best solution is to use Google's Photo Scan app, which is available for Android and iOS. When you open the app, point the camera at the photo you want to digitize, making it fit inside the frame that is drawn in the app. Once you have done so, tap on the Photo Scan Take Photo button. When you click on the Take Photo option, it will analyze the image and display 4 dots on the screen. What you have to do is to make each of the 4 dots fall within the central circle of the app, trying to make sure that it is always at the same distance from the photo. If you wait a little while, the app itself will tell you where it recommends you start. Every time you put one of the dots inside the circle, you will have to wait a second or two until it disappears, and then go to the next one. When you are done, the app will automatically finish the process. With each dot, you will have taken a photo and then cross them to compose a final photo with them. The process is the same on both Android and iOS. The digitized photos will be saved in your mobile's gallery, as if it were a photo you have taken. With that, you will already have the digitized photos on your mobile ready to be used.